Hello viewers, in this video we'll see distribution of overhead. Under that, secondary distribution we'll see. Secondary distribution means it is a process of redistribution of service department cost to production department. Okay, here the secondary distribution costs are distributed again to the production departments. Okay, the primary distribution cost are again distributed to the production department. Once the basis of apportionment of service department cost have been finalized, the apportionment can be done by using several methods of secondary distribution. Okay, and this apportionment, we have several methods here. Now we'll see the methods of secondary distribution. Okay, these are the methods. First, secondary distribution overhead is classified into inter-service not consider, inter-service is consider. This way we can do, and under this inter-service not consider, we have a direct distribution system. Okay, in this video we'll see this direct distribution system, and the other method later on we'll see. Okay, inter-service is consider, non-reciprocal and reciprocal method we have. Under that non-reciprocal we have a step method, and reciprocal method we have repeated distribution method, simultaneous method, trial and error method. Okay, in this video we are going to see this inter-service not considered, that is distribution, direct distribution we are going to see. Okay, in this method overhead of service department are apportioned to production department, and inter-service by service department to each other is ignored. Okay, here the inter-service is ignored. Okay, the overhead under service departments are reapportioned to the production department, but the service department inter-service allocation is not considered here. Okay, let's see one problem, you'll come to know. A factory has 3 production department A, B and C and 2 service department X and Y. The overhead cost of the different departments incurred during March 2007 are as follows. Okay, these are the cost of production department and as well as service department. The cost of department X have to be charged in the ratio of 2:2:1. Okay, the X department cost, that is this 5,000 is to be allocated to the production department A, B, C in the ratio of 2:2:1, and those of department Y equally to department A, B and C respectively. And Y cost, that is this 3,000 is to be allocated equally to the department A, B and C. Find out overhead cost of each department of each production department. Okay, we'll start doing the problem now. This is the format for secondary overhead distribution summary. First, we have to write the primary overhead cost. Yes, this is the primary overhead cost. For A, it's 10,000, and for B, 8,000, and for C, 6,000, and for X, 5,000, and for Y, it's 3,000. Okay, and the total is 32,000. Okay, and the next step is that we have to apportion this service department cost in the ratio of 2:2:1 for the production departments. Okay, this 5,000 is to be allocated in this ratio. Okay, in this ratio, this 5,000. Okay, yes, overhead of service department X is to be distributed to A, B and C in the ratio of 2:2:1. So for A, 5,000 into 2 by 5 will get 2,000, and for B 5,000 into 2 by 5 will get again 2,000, and for C 5,000 into 1 by 5 will get rupees 1,000. Okay, I will write this in the production department columns. For A 2,000, and for B 2,000, and for C 1,000. Okay, and the next step we have to apportion this Y's overhead to A, B and C. Okay, this 3,000 is to be apportioned equally. Equally means 1:1:1. Okay, we'll see how to calculate. overhead of service department Y is to be distributed to A, B and C equally. That is 3000 into 1 by 3. Again for B 3000 into 1 by 3 and for C 3000 into 1 by 3. We'll get 1000 for all the three departments A, B and C. Okay, I have written for A 1000, B 1000 and for C 1000. Okay. And next step we have to find the total of this. Okay. Yes. Total column is 32 and for A 13 and for B 11,000 and for C 8,000. We can intercheck this. You have 32,000. If we add this 3, you will get again the same 32,000. Okay. This how you have to apportion the service department cost into the production departments. Okay. I hope now you understand the direct distribution method of secondary distribution. I have given you a small problem for you to practice. Thank you for your patient listening.